While the stigmas surrounding HIV and STDs may not be as prevalent, they're still there and contributing to the rising number of cases. I'm your neighborhood reporter, Veronica Morley, and in Kern County, the cases of HIV have more than doubled in 20 years. Gotcha.
We always poke off to the side a little bit too, so that it's not
that was nothing.
crazy.
Audrey Chavez founded the Bakersfield AIDS Project 31 years ago after losing her brother.
Ricky, my brother, passed away from AIDS in 1992, and that's when we began to really advocate for services in our county.
Chavez said when they first started, even though HIV and AIDS were prevalent, resources were scarce, and the stigmas surrounding the illnesses often kept people from getting tested.
We basically advocated for a specializing clinic in AIDS here in our area and for a one-stop shop to be there to prevent persons from having to die from this disease.
As testing for HIV and STDs increased, so did the number of positive cases in Kern County. In fact, in 2022, Kern County Public Health saw 200 positive cases of HIV, a 114% increase from 20 years ago. HIV and STD program manager Patrick Salazar said these trends are not only being seen in Kern County, but throughout the state.
We're still not seeing enough participation in PrEP.
Salazar said stigmas surrounding preventative measures for HIV may be contributing to rising numbers, with not only patients, but even medical providers avoiding medications like PrEP, a pre-exposure prophylaxis that could help reduce the risk of being infected.
We really need to do more around provider education.
While HIV cases dropped slightly in 2021, Salazar attributed that more to stigmas created by the pandemic. Do you think part of that might be because of the pandemic, people's stigma about wanting to go to medical offices and go out in public? Like maybe they're socializing still, but they weren't doing the steps to then take care of their medical health at that time.
You hit the nail right on the head. Because that's what the data shows.
Chavez suspects case increases are likely due to an increase in resources and testing availability, including rapid testing kits and even take-home kits. And she's hopeful that preventative measures will become just as common.
And that's awesome because we didn't have those tools 30 years ago. And Bakersfield AIDS Project is out at Whale Park every Saturday offering free HIV rapid testing from 1 to 3. You can also schedule an appointment at the Kern Public Health Clinic on 1800 Mount Vernon Avenue. I'm your neighborhood reporter, Veronica Morley.